Like this, Louise?
Perfect. Now let's try singing again. La 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 la. Now you sing, Ruby.
La 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 la. Oh no, it's not working. How am I ever gonna get rid of these hiccups?
Monster!
I can't help you, Max. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Max, there are other ways to play monster. If you look in your room, you'll find lots of other stuff to play monster with.
Any luck?
I don't think so.
So much for cure number 2.
Right.
Let's try cure number 3, drinking a glass of water.
All right.
Grrr! Grrr! Monster? Monster! The book says you have to drink the whole glass of water all at once.
I hope this works. What was that?
It came from upstairs.
Roar! 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 Max, what do you think you're doing dragging your sheet all over the place?
Monster!
Max, I can't play monster with you right now. I'm still hiccuping. Come on, Louise. We've tried 3 cures and none of them worked.
And there's only one more.
What is it? I forget.
Monster! Cure number 4, scare them away.
But how are you going to scare me if I know you're going to try?